Hello friends, welcome to Phonics Classroom, and this is your channel Sulab. Everything is easy. And today we are going to learn one new sound, and that is yes, A. A. A and I together makes the sound A. A. Come, let us read some words. Train, train, train. Tail, tail. Brain, brain. Jail, jail. Snail, snail. Let us read few more words. Pain, fail, nail, faint, rain, rail, paint and gain. I hope you have liked this channel, like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. And if you like this, share to your friends. Bye bye.